How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Crafting Cars. I'm here with my fiance at the Tuner Evolution Car Show. Now, there's a lot of noise going on right now, but it's probably as good a time as ever to walk around and check out some of these cars. Today, I'm going to focus on the cars that I don't usually see out at these meets in Minnesota. So, yeah, this is nasty. Did I tell you? I'm not sure if it's a 2JZ or a 1JZ, but look at the size of that turbo on that thing. That is awesome. Yeah. Look at the meats on this thing. And the NOS tanks in the back. Well, so far, that's my favorite car of the meet. That's insane. I always saw this Lexus before. I like that one. Got a matte black GTR. This one I've seen a couple times. It's a Kia, but it's Nemo themed. It's always got candy out at these meets.
That one's always at the meets we go to.
Yeah. Let's see. Beautiful S chassis here, 180 SX.
We've never seen a Dragon Ball Z car.
Real wide dots in here. Oh yeah. So this is a new video game out. It's the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. I know my friend Logan really likes it. He's got it pre-ordered, he said, but looks like they're repping it. So they got it wrapped on this Lambo here. Pretty cool. Lamborghini. Sapphire blue. All right. Anything catching your eye over here, Lauren? What about this Integra?
Yeah.
This is kind of a cool satin finish Integra. Looks like it's boosted. Cool. Got all the classic gauges up on the A-pillar. Boost loading. Cool. We got this Prelude here.
This pink one a lot.
Yeah, we have seen that one. Oh, that's a nice little promotional poster there. What a good looking car. Yeah, it's got that big H series in here. I love seeing that. I love seeing the H series build.
Turbo.
That's right. Pretty big one too.
Yeah.
These are sweet. So this is a, let's see, H22. How many liters is that H22 motor?
2.2.
That's right. Little Subaru. Nice El Camino here.
That one's cool. Oh, look at that.
Really nice paint on this one.
Yeah.
Clean engine bay, and it is carbureted. Whoa. This is a nice looking VIP build right here. And it's manual transmission. Yeah, Nardi wood grain wheel. Look, it's got the bling on the inside. Man, that's a clean build. This is Kyle Hardy's car. He wins a lot of trophies,
I
and
like the wheels.
you can see why. What do you think about those wheels?
I like the wheels.
I like them too. 3-piece. Oh, those huge brakes in there too. Oh.
Look at that.
Yeah. That is
Cigar holder,
fantastic.
everything. Wow.
This is cool. Like the oil cooler out front.
I don't know if I've ever seen that before.
I don't think I have seen this one. I wonder if he,
or is that a brand?
I'm not sure. I wonder if he slides it or if it's a drag race car or just a fun little street car. What do you think? Oh, this one is Knuckles theme from or it's not SpongeBob. Knuckles from SpongeBob. From Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh, and he's got some Schmeats back there. Mickey Thompson's. We got a Honda Roadster here. I've seen this one a couple times. It's powered by a D series. He's been going to shows for a while. What I'm waiting for is him to swap a B series in that thing. Should be a direct swap. Chrysler 300. RX-7. Yep, this is a second gen FB RX-7. Don't see too many of these.
No, I don't know any of the
Nice GMC Sierra GT. Nice color and cool wheels. Oh yeah, red. Real hot girl shit.
Go girl. I like it.
Yeah.
Oh, her tabs are expired.
Oh, would you drive that car though?
No.
And it looks like we got a couple of Infinities here. One thing I like about these Infinities is how they can place the intake right in front of the grill here. Oh, it looks so good on the Nismo wheels. As far as OEM wheels go, those are hard to beat. Those look so cool. Oh, we got some cool stuff down this way.
I really like this one.
Yeah. Wow. Tell me what you're thinking.
I like the color.
Me too. Wow. That is so cool. And what is that color? Is that like robin's egg?
It looks like it.
Maybe SS3 Beams 98. What is this? Skyline GTS, I believe. Yeah. Skyline GTS. Another Skyline here with the RB20. Cool. It's the R32 Skyline. What would be a better motor for my Skyline? Gallo 24 or Gallo 25?
I don't know. 29.
Gallo 12. I just got that. It's a Fast and Furious reference. You're supposed to say.
So much torque. Chassis twisted coming off the line. That's the only part. Forget about it, cuz.
I think it's. Oh, I wonder if that's. I don't know if that's Duavu's car. I think someone else has one of those Civics. But yeah, that Fast and Furious. That's. The Gallo is a pizza place. So you're supposed to say, I didn't know pizza places made engines.
I didn't know pizza places made it.
Exactly. We got GTO here, but let's check out this Civic. That's what we all care about here. So 600cc rear-wheel drive, manual transmission. This is what it's all about. Do it for Grayson. Very cool. I love the vented windows. Look at that interior. Man.
Those seats will beat the fuck up.
You think I could fit in that thing? I don't think so either, but I'd like to try. Farmageddon. I wonder what's going on there. If it got in the show, it's probably got something crazy going on under the hood. And it does. Look at that Holley intake manifold. That huge throttle body. Oh, it's pro-charged. Woo! This is the Toyota AE86 we saw outside. This is one of my favorite cars here. Oh, and it's still got the all factory interior. Haltech ECU. Big old drag slicks. Oh, and this car's got everything. Next to this modern Toyota. Which one would you rather drive?
The AE86.
Great choice. Oh, this is Chris Corr's car. We parked next to this guy at Modest. He was really nice, so you go ahead and follow him on the Instagrams. We like this guy. Tile in the trunk, very nice.
Oh yeah, I remember this guy.
Look how he bends his airlift lines. That's what I'm talking about.
I almost said very demanding.
Oh gosh, well, I'm glad you didn't. All right, moving on. Ooh, look at the Infinity steering wheel on that. Very nice. White and carbon, that is a good look. Hell yeah. It's Boone's car. What a flex. White TE37's in the front. White Regamaster Evos in the rear. This boy's got it all.
We should ask him how many he's got total.
I know we saw this at Modest, but yeah, we are going to take another look at it. Get a good look at those stereo systems in there.
Does he still have the PlayStation in there?
Yeah, he does. I really like the Subaru here. It's a T37.
Oh, this is kind of fun. Look at the like embroidery kind of.
Yeah. So I know she engraves taillights, which is kind of cool.
Engraved? I thought it was like a
Yeah, so she uses a Dremel
Oh, cool.
and engraves, so you can kind of see. And I know they look better when the taillights are on. They really pop. Oh, I like this. This might win an award today. So it's an old Nissan Datsun. And I wonder if these are the Watanabe wheels. They just might be. Oh, carbureted inline 6.
Wow.
A nice Evo here. Nah, he's not messing around. He is not messing around. Cool BBS wheels, big dishes on those. And then this is kind of a fun theme here. So I really like the wheels. I'm not sure what they are, but they look sweet. I love the gold hardware, and the Red Bull theme is pretty dang cool. So my dad's actually got one of these, unless he sold it. I'm not sure, but yes, 10th gen SI Coupe. I think it'd be pretty cool to take one of these and swap in the FK8 Type R motor. What do you think about that? I think we're ready to go to bed. For those who don't know, I work third shift, so any car meet during the day, we're pretty sleepy. And then Lauren, she's coming off of a pretty gnarly cold right now, so we're doing our best out here.
Yeah.
This is one of those meets where it's scheduled like months and months in advance, so you got to show up, you know?
I'm rocking with like 4 hours of sleep here for like the last 2 nights.
Yeah, that totals to 8 though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's the recommended amount. So this got to be one of my favorite cars here. This thing is crazy. So it's a Lexus GS. Okay, it's a 2J?
Running dry sump. 12 injector setup with the Holtec R5.
Wow.
R5.
What's that?
That is for the dry sump. That's your oil.
Oh, it's dry sump too. Wow.
This is the quick connect for air to get the quick jacks to lift her up.
Lexan
See
windows.
The quick pull on the side there.
Man, this thing's cool.
Yep, yep.
Yeah, it's gonna be one of my favorite cars here for sure. That's gonna be crazy when he starts driving it.
It's got the single quick.
Oh, cool.
Bumps on the
Oh
wheels,
my
yeah.
God. CCW.
This whole car was kind of built on a purpose. It's kind of more of like he did it all. The reason for all the pink and stuff, and raced for a gear and stuff. His mom passed away from cancer, so he's been collecting money and shit. Cancer associations and shit with the car.
Okay.
Everything he makes, everything he gets, he shoves it into the funds for them. So
Wow.
yeah.
Okay, yeah, I know we've seen this car at other meets, but we're gonna check it out again. Dane's VW Rabbit pickup truck. Looking good as per usual.
I'm gonna start clicking, I'm taking it home. Yeah. What?
Our boy Dane won Best of Show. Well guys, that wraps it up for the meet, and actually wraps it up for the Civics car show season. Yeah, Dane won Best of Show with his VW Rabbit pickup truck, so that was cool to see. I stayed a little late to see some people roll out of the venue and get some shots of them with their lights on. And then I wanted to talk to the guys with the B-Series swapped EG Civics too, and they're really cool. And I might hang out with them at some future meets, maybe bring my other cars to those. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you once again for tuning in to Crafting Cars, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye!